The day I decided who I am. Your life follows your words. I didn't understand this at first. I used to say things like, I'm not good enough, my English isn't good, nothing changes for me. And my life looked exactly like my words. One day I heard a sentence, your life is repeating what you say about yourself. That hit me. I asked myself, what am I saying every day? Are my words creating the life I want? Or the life I don't want? I realized, my mouth was working against my future. So I decided to change what I say. Not I want, but I am. Most people say, I want to be confident, I want to speak English, I want more money, I want opportunities. That's good. But it's weak. The law of attraction responds more to identity than to wishes. Not I want, but I am. Because I want says, I don't have it yet. I am, says, this is who I am now. So I stopped saying, I want to be confident. And I started saying, I am confident. I am a person who speaks English. I am someone good things happen to. At first, it felt strange. But I knew, if I keep saying it, I will become it. Speak it before you believe it. Let me tell you something important, you don't wait to believe and then speak. You speak. And then you start to believe. So I stood in front of the mirror and I said things I didn't fully believe yet. I am improving every day. I am calm when I speak English. I am growing. I am ready for better things. Did I feel it 100%? No. But I said it anyway. Because faith grows with repetition. Because your brain listens to your voice. Because the law of attraction responds to your dominant story. So I kept speaking it. Identity attracts reality. Then I noticed something. When I said, I am shy, I acted shy. I am unlucky, I saw only problems. I am bad at English. I avoided speaking. But when I changed it to, I am learning fast. I am the kind of person who finishes things. I am confident talking to people. My actions started to match that identity. That's the secret. Identity attracts reality. If you see yourself as a learner, you study. If you see yourself as confident, you speak. If you see yourself as worthy, you receive. So the question is not, what do you want? The question is, who are you being? Repeat after me, I am. Tell your viewers to repeat. Slow. With power. Repeat after me. 1. I am worthy of good things. 2. I am attracting growth every day. 3. I am becoming fluent in English. 4. I am confident when I speak. 5. I am disciplined with my learning. 6. I am open to new opportunities. 7. I am grateful for what I have and excited for what's coming. 8. I am the creator of my future. 9. I am surrounded by the right people. 10. I am enough. Keep speaking your future. Don't wait until life is perfect to speak powerfully. Speak powerfully. And watch life rise to your words. Tell them, keep saying I am every morning. Keep saying it when you're tired. Keep saying it when no one believes in you. Because your mouth is building your future. Then, if this helped you, subscribe and watch the next story. We are learning English, but we are also building a stronger life.